just have your eggs go straight into cold water. That's why they often will crack. People boil the water, then put the eggs in. Put the eggs in cold water, turn it on. I set the timer for about 15 minutes, and Bob's your uncle. See, it's boiling away. Usually it takes 10 minutes to boil, but as it goes in cold, you need that 5 minutes to heat up. And there's the eggs. Cut them in half. That's the plan. Look at them. Perfect. Not one of them cracked. Beautiful. Now we get our mozzarella. Grate that. We want proper mozzarella, so grate it. I don't know, however much you want. That's probably about 150 grams. Then we get butter, put it in the pan, put the eggs down so the yolk side is facing down, spread them out. Look at that. Then we put in some salt. I put M. Who's M? Pink Himalayan salt. Then some pepper. Now the amount, I'm not really going to give amounts. It's just however much you want. So just, whatever. Then paprika. The amount of paprika I put in is probably amounts to about a teaspoon or two. Then we get the turmeric, or turmeric, depending on how you pronounce it. Still the same thing. So we add that. Then we add garlic pepper. Yum. This is going to be so good. And the cayenne pepper. So a little bit peppery, spicy. That's why it's a spicy egg bomb. Then get the mozzarella and sprinkle it across the whole dish. And then get the lid. So you need one of these that has a lid. Put the lid on. Have the heat on low. Cook for about 10 minutes. Take the heat off and then garnish with whatever you want. I'm garnishing with some chives. You could use parsley, whatever. Or if you don't want to garnish, you don't need to go that far. That's one less step, but I like to have a little bit of the chives in it. Once that's done, just serve it up. Yum. Oh no.